Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to search for products on DSers. DSers is a great platform for finding products to sell on your online store. They have a huge selection of products to choose from, and they make it easy to find the right products for your target audience. In this video, I'll show you how to use the DSers search bar to find products, how to filter products by category, price, and other criteria, and how to add products to your cart. I'll also give you some tips on how to find the best products to sell on DSers. So, let's get started. How to use the DSers search bar. The DSers search bar is a powerful tool that you can use to find products. You can search by product name, keyword, or category. To use the DSers search bar, simply enter your search term in the search bar and click the search button. How to filter products by category. Once you've searched for products, you can filter them by category. This is a great way to narrow down your search results and find the products that are most relevant to you. To filter products by category, simply click on the Category tab on the left side of the page. How to filter products by price. You can also filter products by price. This is a great way to find products that are within your budget. To filter products by price, simply click on the Price tab on the left side of the page. How to filter products by other criteria. You can also filter products by other criteria, such as shipping time, availability, and supplier. To filter products by other criteria, simply click on the More Filters tab on the left side of the page. How to add products to your cart. Once you've found the products you want to sell, you can add them to your cart. To add a product to your cart, simply click on the Add to Cart button on the product page. Tips for finding the best products to sell on DSers. Here are a few tips for finding the best products to sell on DSers. Do your research. Before you start searching for products, it's important to do your research and understand what your target audience is looking for. Look for products with high profit margins. When you're searching for products to sell, look for products with high profit margins. This will help you make more money on each sale. Look for products with low competition. It's important to find products with low competition. This will make it easier for you to rank your products in search results. Pay attention to product reviews. When you're considering a product to sell, be sure to read the product reviews. This will give you an idea of the quality of the product and how well it sells. Use the DSers Winning Products feature. DSers has a Winning Products feature that can help you find popular and profitable products. DSers is a great platform for finding products to sell on your online store. By using the DSers search bar, filtering products by category, price, and other criteria, and adding products to your cart, you can find the right products for your target audience. I hope this video has helped you learn how to search for products on DSers. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow your online business. See you next time.